Hey guys, welcome to another product information moment. So this is a quick snapshot of the Stitchy BP. My name's Wayne Crooks, I'm the technical officer and I also look after all the training here at Emelec. So let me tell you a little bit about this Stitchy BP. This replaces your current dimmer. So if you have a dimmer or you want to buy a dimmer to be able to dim your lights and things like that and you've not known what to purchase, here's an option for you. Now, this has a couple of key features. Now, the first key feature is we no longer have to have a switch and a dimmer because a single push to turn the light on, a single push again to turn the light off. Turn the light on with a single push, push and hold will dim the light down, push and hold again and it'll dim the light back up, and when I'm finished I can turn the light off. So it's classed as an on-off switch and a dimmer all in one. Now, the other thing is it's Zigbee enabled. So if I want to create a smart home, I can use this to create my smart home. So the features of it, it's good for up to 150 watts of LED load. Now, the downside is it's not good with halogen or incandescent lights, but it is great with LED loads. Now, the other side is it has a minimum load capacity. So it needs to have 5 watts or more to operate. So the other one of the key benefits of this and key features is the fact that if I want to dim my lights to a certain level and maybe my lights might start to flicker if I go too low or below that, or I just need to set that minimum level, by clicking it 3 times, the lights will flash and that will be the minimum set. So that will be the minimum dim set. So it's a really easy to operate and we're going to show you how easy it is to install. It has 2 wires, no neutral required. The 2 wires just basically wire in exactly where you would normally wire a dimmer. Okay, so we have our active in and we have our light feed out or our switch wire out. All right, so let's have a look. It fits into all of the plates except for Iconic, and we're investigating an adapter that will make it be available for Iconic switches. But at this point in time, it fits into your Clipsal, your HPM, and all the other aftermarket plates and things like that. It'll fit in nicely. So we've got a Clipsal 2000 series here that I'm going to show you how to install it. This is one of our training boards, and what I want to use this for today is I want to be able to show you how to connect in and show you the operation of our new Stitchy BP. So basically what we have marked here is our switch, neutral, active and light. Now we've actually got a switch involved here, so I'm going to utilize that switch just for safety so I can actually make sure it's all okay. So we're just going to put one wire in with the switch. Now that could normally go in with the active, no problems, but the other one will just go straight on to where the light goes in. Okay, we're using Wagos here, but doesn't matter, you can use BP connectors and things like that. So now we're all powered up, so I can turn it on, but now because this isn't turned on, the light hasn't come on. So if I just turn the light on, as you can see it's come up to full brilliance. Now if I was to push and hold, the light will dim down. Right, push and hold again, the light will dim up to 100%. One quick flick and the light turns off. Okay, so when it's turning off, it does dim to a 0, and when it turns on, it goes from 0 to full brilliance. The good thing is there's no neutral required. It goes in circuit with power in, power out, same as a normal dimmer would. The benefit of it is we don't need to retain the switch, so we can reduce the number of switches that are on a switch plate. If you want to use a switch, you can use a switch. But the upside of this is too, it's Zigbee enabled. So it can easily connect to a Zigbee enabled hub, okay, and give you all of that, app, voice, all of those other platforms, but it still retains the switch. So even if your Wi-Fi goes down or your hub fails or something like that, you can still turn the light on and off and you can still dim the light without any problems.